This is Starfall. It's a website that's been around for several years, but it's still one of my kids' favorite ones to get onto. They have the app on our classroom iPad, so they're able to access it there, as well as getting online. I teach first grade, but if I have kiddos that are a little behind, it gives us the option of putting them back in our pre-K kindergarten skills. If this is, sorry, I forgot to mention, it deals with reading. It has a few math lessons, some seasonal activities, but as I said, with my class, we use the reading. So it gives you the option of going over your ABCs. It'll do sounds. For any of your letters, let me turn it up a little bit.
A.
Okay. Okay. So there's the alphabet aspect of it. You can always click out. I like that they have the big X's and the big arrows. It makes it easy for them to be able to navigate the website. Oops, went back the wrong way. Let's use this one. There's a learn to read. It goes into word families, which is very nice. So if I click on the book, it'll open up Zach the Rat. Push play.
Listen to the short A sound. Ah, 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 ah. Short A makes this kind of sound. Ah, 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 ah. Ah. Zach.
It's a very phonetically driven book, teaching aspect, which is great at the first grade level. If I go back out, I can go all the way back. Oh, I'm still in kindergarten. I want to go back to where I can get to my first graders. Okay, click in here. You're going to see similar things, but it's going to start to get a little more difficult. You're going to still see the learn to read, but this is the next step is it's fun to read, and I'm reading. So we kind of spend a lot of our time on it's fun to read. It gives them different categories they can choose from. So let's go into all about me. Okay, so if they click into it, all about my body.
Put the word into the correct shape.
Okay, deals with word boxes. I guess you could also say this deals with science since it's talking about bodies. So if I click,
Leg.
I can drag and drop.
My leg is on my body. I can move it like this.
So, I mean, the kids really like it. They seem to like the songs, but it's very interactive. As I said, they have them on their iPads, and it's something that they can do independently when needed.